Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we are going to discuss a questions that is generating a lot of debate in the crypto industry. Could the next crypto leader be something other than Bitcoin? For more decade, Bitcoin has been the face of cryptocurrency market. It remains the largest digital asset by the market capitalization. It is often the first choice for both retail and institutional investor. But as the crypto industry continues to evolve, many investors are asking important questions. Could another cryptocurrency eventually take the lead? Let's find out. The crypto market today is very difficult from what it was a few years ago. Instead of focusing only on digital payments, many blockchains network and supporting decentralized finance, smart contracts, tokenized assets, artificial intelligence application, and real-world assets tokenization. Because of these investors in innovation, some projects are building ecosystem that extend far behind simple value transfer. This is led some analysts to believe that the next major leader is crypto may not necessarily be Bitcoin. However, leaderships can mean different things. Bitcoin is widely viewed as a store of value and is often compared to digital gold. Other cryptocurrencies focus on space, scalability, decentralized application of blockchain infrastructure. This means a project does not have to replace Bitcoin to become extremely important. It can lead it in its own sectors while Bitcoin continues leading as the largest digital asset. Institutional investors are also changing the market. Many large investment firms now diversify across multiple blockchain ecosystems instead of concentrating on the single assets and adoptions grow. The crypto market may become less dependent on Bitcoin than it was in previous cycle. At the same time, Bitcoin still has rival major advantage. It has a stronger brand recognition, the largest network, broad institutional acceptance, and limited supply that many investors value over the long term. These trends make it difficult for any other cryptocurrencies to completely replace Bitcoin. Professional investors do not ask which coin will replace Bitcoin. Instead, they ask which project are solving real world problems, creating long term value. That in mindset have them focus on innovation rather than hype in calculation. The next crypto leader does not necessarily have to replace Bitcoin, and the industry matures. Different blockchain network may lead in different areas while Bitcoin continues serving as a foundation of the digital assets market. The future crypto may not be about one winner. It may be about multiple leaders driving innovation across different sectors. Thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable, make sure to subscribe the channel, like this video, and turn on notification so you never miss our latest crypto analysis, blockchain insight, and global market updates. Thanks.